Everyone is always busy, some busy finding fortune, some busy doing their job, some busy with their families, and some others can't even find a day to rest, because they are too busy. Sometimes because there is too much pressure putting on them, their body and mind become powerless, and can even lead to depressions. Work is important to do, but you need to work with peace in mind. Learn to release yourself from the past. Don't do the thing that's going to remind you of the past, and also don't worry too much about the future. Sometimes you can stop what's going to happen in the future, and sometimes things doesn't go as you planned, but don't be mad because this is life. Learn to control your thoughts. Think one at a time. When finished, then continue to think about another one. And don't get your expectations too high, because when it does not reach your expectations, you'll be disappointed.